The Settings app in Windows gives you a lot of control over your PC, but you wouldn't want anybody else messing around with it. My name is Yadullah. You're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can disable the Settings app on Windows 11. Now, if you're using Windows 11 Home like I am and do not have access to the group policy editor, we are going to use the registry editor to achieve the same effect. To do this, press Windows key plus R to open the run prompt, and we are just going to type in Regedit and hit enter. Give Windows the permissions that it needs. And at this point, you are going to copy paste this path that I will include in the description below. Essentially what we're doing is that we're going to our registry's Explorer policies that we can change with the group policy editor, so you wouldn't have to fumble around here. And in here you will see that you have a couple of keys, so force active desktop, no active desktop changes. We're going to create a new D word here and we're going to call it no control panel. Once you've created it, double click it and set the value to 1. And theoretically that should be it. So now if I try opening Windows settings, you see that it still opens up, and that is because we need to restart our system for these changes to take effect. The same will apply to control panel, I believe. Okay, so control panel doesn't open up. As you can see, we get an error saying operation has been cancelled due to restrictions in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator. So for this to take effect into settings, you're going to have to restart your system. And that's that. That's how easily you can disable the settings on your Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you on the next video.